Hello guys, welcome to our free online learning platform by jobkarnataka.com. Jobkarnataka.com is one-stop solution for every student who is pursuing their academics and aspiring for their dream career. Why jobkarnataka.com? Absolutely, this is a question running in your mind right now. I get that. So moving on further, I will explain and justify why should every student choose jobkarnataka.com for their career and their academics. So first point, I would like to say we give you free video content of particular subject from particular universities in Karnataka, which you can better understand in the presentation form and the video which you can refer anytime that requires you to go on and view it. Secondly, we give you real-time corporate examples which will favor you to understand the subject topic in a deeper manner with the real corporate companies, and also which gives you the favor in getting more points or extra marks by quoting those examples in your examinations. Moving on further, let's see what's the third thing that jobkarnataka.com gives you. It provides tricks for remembering the content while writing in main exams. So every student would be wondering, what if I forget, or due to anxiety, due to the fear or lack of confidence, students have the tendency to forget some points which is important or relatable to that answer. But jobkarnataka.com will ease off this kind of queries by giving you tricks for remembering the content and writing the exact answer that you wanted to write when you read. Fourthly, teaching in accordance with university syllabus and previous year question papers. Who doesn't like to rely on question papers? Every student who is pursuing their degree or MBAs will always prefer their question papers. So having 10 years or 5 years of question papers solved in every subject knowledge and expertise, they would like to give a better understanding to score better marks. So we will give you the question papers solved and we will provide you a good opportunity to get 60 to 80 marks in your pocket. And moving on to further fifth point, I would like to say the jobkarnataka.com gives you the whole syllabus in 3 hours, that is covering every subject within 30 minutes of time, each module in 30 minutes of time, which can give you a brief tricks and tips of highlighting which is important and which has to be read in the examinations point of view. So which helps you cover the whole syllabus in just 3 hours. Last but not the least, you get sufficient time to revise the entire syllabus for better understanding and reproduce the same on your answer script. So hoping that you would like to enjoy and experience the learning experience with jobkarnataka.com with having quick and accurate updates. So stay tuned and stay updated.